Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji has on various occasions reiterated the government's commitment to implement OROP for ex-servicemen under military pension. As stated above, the previous government had estimated that OROP would be implemented with a budget provision of mere rupees 500 crores. The reality, however, is that to implement OROP, the estimated cost to the exchequer would be rupees 8,000 to 10,000 crores at present and will increase further in future. The main argument for OROP is that the defense personnel retire early and thus are not able to get the benefit of serving till normal retirement age. Despite the huge financial burden, given its commitment to welfare of ex-servicemen, the government has taken a decision to implement the OROP. In simple terms, OROP implies that uniform pension be paid to armed forces personnel retiring in the same rank with the same length of service regardless of their date of retirement. Further, enhancement in the rates of pension would be automatically passed on to the past pensioners. This implies bridging the gap between the rate of pension of current and past pensioners at periodic intervals. Under this definition, it has been decided that the gap between rate of pension of current pensioners and past pensioners will be bridged every 5 years. Under the OROP scheme, the benefit will be given with effect from 1st July 2014. The present government assumed office on 26 May 2014 and the budget was presented in June, and therefore it has been decided to make the scheme effective from a date immediately thereafter.